Back in this video, we're going to be taking a look at something that a lot of students ask about at this point, and it's how to color just part of your mesh. So instead of like the whole thing being red, can I actually color individual little parts? And the answer is, of course. Here's a simple way to do it for beginners. First, I'm going to select my sphere here in my junk scene, and I'm going to press the decimal on my numpad to zoom into it. And now I'm going to go for it. Now, to select the individual faces, I actually have to be in a different mode. Right now I'm in object mode. The whole object selected, and you can see the whole object has this material that is red. We're going to switch into edit mode. The other way to do it, instead of just clicking here, is you can hit the tab key. The tab key goes back and forth from object mode to edit mode. When you're in edit mode, you have three different sort of sub modes. You could be selecting vertices, just the dots. You could be selecting edges, so just the lines, or you could be selecting faces. Well, we want faces, so let's select the face, and you can see this face has the red material on it. What I want to do is create a new material and assign it to that face. So here we go. Make a new slot with this plus sign, add material slot. It's empty, there's no material there. So add a new material. I'll turn that material some obvious color, like let's say bright yellow. And make sure you have the yellow material selected. Make sure you have your face selected, and you click Assign. And you can see that face is now assigned yellow. If I do it with another face now, like that one, click the yellow. You can see that whatever face you select, by the way, it always highlights its current material. So this one's currently red, that one's currently red, that one's currently yellow. So let's take that, select yellow, assign. If you want to do a whole bunch, hold the shift key. So I'm holding the shift key down now as I click away. And take the yellow and assign. And that's it. Go back into object mode with the tab key, or just click here. And that's basically painting the individual faces. If you want to see a super fast, here's just a super fast. I'll go to my monkey, tab key, face select mode. I'll hold the shift key. I'll quickly select these guys here. Make a new slot, make a new material. Let's make that material black. And let's assign. And let's go back into object mode. Okay. So pretty fast, pretty easy. That's it. Thanks for watching.